Hey everyone, it's Amy with Mighty, and today I'm going to time myself creating two types of transitions inside of Articulate Rise. So, the first way I'm going to show you is using our design hack that we've shared with you in the past while creating a simple shape outside of Rise using Photoshop. And the other way is going to use our Mighty transition block preset shapes. So you'll see the efficiency of using Mighty to create transitions, and not only will you just see the amount of time you save, but you'll see the fact that you're creating this all inside of Articulate Rise. I even put them side by side and sped up one of the videos for you to see. So take a look.